save that one for last year. Alright. I'm gonna save that one for last year.
That's all of them.
The purple one might be my favorite one, though. I don't really have a taste.
You like that one, you say? You can't really tell. You gotta buy another one.
I can taste it.
And you bit the lime again.
Lime?
Yeah, you bit the lime one again, right?
Mm-hmm.
And out of that compared to the lime one, or that compared to the coconut one, what do you think?
I like this one the best.